three websites that I like the most from this portion of our online assignment, I think we're probably BrainPop, Atomic Learning, and Utopia, I think it's pronounced. Um, Even though you have to pay for BrainPop, I really like the way that it's designed and the layout looks really good. I think it's a very fun website. If I were to use it as a future teacher, that it would be something I would use because stuff like that appeals to kids. It looks fun, and those type of websites tend to be a little bit more engaging for some of the kids, and I think that's actually why I liked all of the websites that I've picked. Edutopia, BrainPop, and Atomic Learning all have pretty simple layouts that are easy to follow, which is a big thing for me being a full-time teacher and in school at the same time. I don't have a lot of time to try and mess around with a lot of different websites to figure out what works and what I like. So this way I'm able to get through it quickly and efficiently, which is really a big thing for me. As far as Quaya, I think it's called. I'm not too big on it. It's cool that you can create different assignments and get the web links for them, and you can do things like Battleship and create your own spelling words and all that, and have them do different um, assignments. But as far as like the layout goes and some of the um, materials on it, it just seems like it's very bland, and that tends to turn children off of a website, especially my kids. If the website isn't something that looks like it would be fun or engaging, they won't be as interested. Um, I have a lot of resources that I use already in my classroom, and none of these were really any that I weren't aware of. There are thousands of websites like BrainPop, Atomic Education, or Atomic Learning, Edutopia, Freckle, Prodigy, Classcraft, Zern. The list goes on and on. There are hundreds that you can use. So I was aware of a lot of these. But I tend to use the ones that are simple and straightforward and don't have a lot of learning curve attached to them. Mostly because, just like I said, I don't have the time to sit and really focus on learning how to use a single website just to have another lesson that requires another website that I have to learn to use. So quick, efficient, engaging websites are the ones that I tend to enjoy the most. And those were presented pretty well in this course that I thought.